Hey friends, welcome to FarmForce, your new home for incredible harvests and agriculture technology. Got your coffee or tea? Let's head out to the vineyards, where innovation turns grapes into world-class wine. Love stories like this? Hit like, subscribe, and join the harvest adventure. Fast forward to harvest. In Alexander Valley, the sun rises over rows of Cabernet Sauvignon. Over 200 skilled pickers, guided by decades of tradition, move swiftly through the vines, filling custom bins with 60 tons of fruit, all harvested by hand before the temperature hits 56 degrees. Why? Because cool mornings preserve acidity and freshness. But wait, the real magic happens at night. Justin Miller's team picks 15 tons of Merlot under moonlight. With LED-guided tractors and headlamps, they reduce energy use by 30% and lock in those bold aromas that define premium wine. By dawn, the grapes are worth $45,000, proof that good things really do happen after dark. Now let's talk about speed. In Italy's Prosecco vineyards, Valence harvesters like the Diamant 956 and 4056 team up with a Fendt 211P tractor to cover a hectare in under an hour. Compared to 8 hours of manual labor, that's efficiency. Grape damage stays below 3%, and fuel use drops by 20%. In Hungary, the ERO self-propelled harvester takes it to another level, replacing 200 manual workers and covering 1.2 hectares per hour. Its laser-guided arms and gentle shake technology keep bruising below 2%. That's not just mechanized farming. That's smart harvesting using modern agriculture machines. If you're still here watching, then hey, we must share the same love for farming stories. Why not stick around? Hit subscribe and be part of this little corner where agriculture meets heart. We'd be lucky to have you. Meanwhile, in France, the new Holland Broad 9060L doesn't just harvest, it orchestrates. With the VL6070 and TM135 machines working in sync, they pull 1/200 vines per hour, all with less than 4% grape loss and 18% fuel savings. It's precision agriculture in rhythm. Now, how do you transport all these grapes without turning them into juice on the road? That's where the Technosima stainless steel trailer comes in. With a sealed 6.5 x 2.4 meters bed and a payload of 18 tons, it can dump sideways or backward. Hydraulic gates, brake correctors, and a self-steering axle ensure smooth turns, even on steep hills. This is smart farm-to-factory logistics in action. In Chile's Colchagua Valley, the Enoveneta Top 60 goes full throttle, destemming 50 tons of grapes per hour without crushing a single one. Precision is key. It cuts waste by 30% and keeps berries whole, perfect for high-end wineries like Concha y Toro. When it's time to move juice, the Enoveneta peristaltic pump does it with style. It's self-priming, runs dry for 5 minutes without damage, and pumps 10,000 liters per hour with zero stress on the fruit. This is food processing technology at its gentlest. You made it this far, and that means something. We don't just make videos, we build a community that loves farming, tech, and good stories. If that's you, hit subscribe. You're not just a viewer here, you're one of us. On the bottling line at Jordan Winery, Chardonnay flows into glass under sterile, seamless precision. From vineyard to cork, every moment is calculated, clean, and elegant. This is farm-to-bottle excellence, powered by food processing equipment. Now, let's rewind. Before the harvest comes the growing season, and it's just as technical. It all begins at Freitag Rebschule in Germany, where baby vines are born not by hand, but by robot. Each grafting arm works with 0.1 mm precision, creating over 10,000 vines every shift. From there, the baby vines head into climate-controlled rooting chambers where AI systems monitor everything: humidity, nutrients, light. This isn't gardening. This is next-level farming technology. As spring rolls in, those tiny vines bloom into delicate flowers. At Jordan Vineyard in California, every blossom counts. Pollination lasts just a few days, but what happens in those fleeting hours determines whether you get a grape or a dud. It's nature's high-stakes lottery in the world of viticulture. But grapes need more than sunlight and water. Big Bud 16V 747 tractors plow deep with 100 horsepower, prepping soil like a bulldozer with roots. Canopy management? Enter Pellence's Multiviti Palissus, lifting and aligning vines for better airflow and sunlight, reducing mildew by 30%. At the peak of the season, the Pellenc Optimum takes center stage, harvesting up to 25 tons a day, cutting fuel use by 43%, and switching roles to prune, spray, and tie. It's the Swiss Army knife of sustainable farming. If you enjoyed this harvest journey, tap like, hit subscribe, and join FarmForce for the next video. See you soon.